Hola, estudiantes. In the next few slides, you're going to see images of casas y apartamentos en España, Spain, Guatemala, y Costa Rica. Now, think for a minute. Do all the casas in Minnesota look the same? Of course not. We have casas grandes en Minnesota y casas pequeñas. Tenemos casas elegantes en Minnesota y hay casas sencillas in Minnesota. Same thing in other countries around the world. Not every house is going to look the same, so I've just tried to give you a few examples of what some of the houses might look like in other parts of the country, but keep in mind that there's a lot of variety in every country, just like there is here. So let's take a peek at las casas en España. Some of you second graders might remember Sarah, who was with us a few years back. Sara vive en España. You have to cross el Océano Atlántico para llegar a España, aquí. En España, muchas personas viven en apartamentos. They might look like this. Hay otras casas típicas en España. Otras casas. Y otra casa en España. What do you notice? Did anything surprise you? What are you still curious about? Be thinking about those things in the next picture too. Aquí hay casas en Guatemala. Aquí estamos en Minnesota, aquí, y Guatemala está al sur, aquí. Maybe you remember from Teresa's video last week. Aquí ven ustedes unas casas típicas en Guatemala. What do you notice? Does anything surprise you? What are you still curious about after seeing these pictures? Vamos a continuar a Costa Rica. Costa Rica está cerca de Guatemala. Aquí estamos en Minnesota y Costa Rica está al sur, al sur, al sur. Aquí. Aquí queda Costa Rica. En Costa Rica, algunas cosas se ven así. This is what some of the houses look like. Others. Otras cosas. What do you notice? Anything surprise you? What are you still wondering about? Talk to someone at home, your mama, papa, abuelo, abuela, hermano, hermana, about what you observed, what you're still wondering about. If you'd like to record some answers in Flipgrid, you may. That's optional. Gracias. Adios.